Welcome to North Heath Community Primary School. As head teacher, I am proud to work in a school so full of warmth, curiosity and activity, alongside amazing pupils and staff. Here, every child is encouraged to be kind, be creative and be courageous.
This is a school where friendships grow quickly and kindness spreads.
Where we work together, learn from each other and celebrate every success as a team.
Everyone belongs here. Every child is valued for who they are.
We're a friendly, caring community where everybody is heard and nobody is left out.
Teachers at North Heath are creative and passionate about bringing learning to life. Every day they inspire us to explore, to question and to be courageous learners. We love being active, using our amazing outdoor space to play sports, explore new clubs and enjoy active learning and brain breaks.
Whether it's cross-curricular orienteering or a competitive sport, courage and teamwork shine through.
Inside our classrooms, creativity takes centre stage. Whether painting, writing stories, exploring science, or building something entirely new, our imaginations have room to explore and shine.
In reception, we love making new things. We get to try new ideas all the time.
Our library is the heart of our school. We read every day so that we can become confident readers and can open doors to new worlds.
We love reading together.
Being courageous is something that we practice daily.
It means having the confidence to try, learn from your mistakes and keep on going even when it's tricky.
At North Heath, we never give up. Being elected a house captain was one of my proudest moments. I am trusted with responsibilities that help me grow.
I love performing in class assemblies and Christmas plays and rocksteady concerts.
At North Heath, we are continually impressed by our pupils' many successes, personal, academic and sporting. We nurture motivated learners who are happy, confident and ready for life beyond our school. We would love to welcome you to North Heath.
So, what are you waiting for? Come and visit us. See for yourself why we love North Heath.
We can't wait to show you around.